Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you, is there a certain period of time in which you should buy certain stocks and hold them until they reach its highest value, and you should sell them out at that point. So I'm going to explain this to you in this video. So let's get started with the video. Now now I've read it in the Intelligent Investor that from January to I don't remember that exactly, but it was said something like this, that from in January to March stocks are slow. From April to June stocks are fast, and from May to July, August to September, or August to October stocks are moderate. I don't know exactly about that, but it was something like this. So I what I guess is that sometimes it's not true that the stocks are slow in these months. This is not true. I do not consider that. I only consider that how far the investors are confident in a certain stocks. I only consider that. So so sometimes a time can come that if you buy, if certain news arises against something bad news. So in those cases the stock market can plummet. But I will give you an example. Let's say the let's discuss the current issue, the COVID-19 issue. Let's say a pharmaceutical company just announced that we have invented the vaccine for the COVID, and that vaccine was a total success. So the stocks of that company would rise, and maybe it reached to its highest value. So these type of things can happen. These type of news can occur in the stock market. So other than that I do not consider other stocks. So because of the reason that sometimes it cannot be true, because all of this depends upon, most of them depends upon technical analysis and also fundamental analysis. But I consider here is that technical analysis is both of these are more important than hearing that stocks are slow in this month, fast in this month. That's not true. That cannot happen. Sometimes when the let's take another example. When the COVID-19 hit for the first time, when the first wave of the COVID-19 hit the world, all of the stock markets dropped, especially our. So that was a great time to invest and to buy and hold those stocks. That was the first one time to buy stocks and hold them for longer period of time, because that was a time that you should invest and sell when the stock reaches to its highest value. Now let me explain that to you by showing to you an example, because that one happened to our stock, and I'm going to show it to you. So sometimes these things happen. Those are the one situation that stock market could rise, and stock market could decline and rise. So you should consider those you should opt for those stocks. Now you can see it is clear. When the COVID hit, from here it started to plummet. So this was a great time, because if you invested in this area, now it reached up till this point. So this much of total profit you could have gained. So this is a lot of profit, and you should have invested in this. This was the one phase. Well, this is the whole index. I've showed to you the whole index of how the stock market just I've showed to you the progress of the whole of the stock market. So now I'm going to show you just a single stock, how well it performed. Now let's, as it loads, I'm going to show it to you how it performed. So stay tuned up till that. Now let's demonstrate this one. It gave this much profit. How much? This much. Let's take out this tool. I'll plot it here, drag it till this point, and then drag it up, sorry, up till here. So how much profit it gave? What nonsense, 77.32%, maybe more than that. It gave much more profits than this one. So it can sometimes be false, but it gave much more profit, because this was its lowest point, and this is its highest point. So both of them are trading in a the high and low. So that's bullshit. So let's take a look at this one stock. What happened now? Why isn't it loading? So you can see that there is one more time again. These pullbacks are uh, great areas or phases in which you can invest in. Again pullbacks. This was a great phase. Certain things happen due to the external news, due to the stock market hearing some bad news. Certain things happen, and that is a great time to invest in the stock market and hold those stocks for longer period of time. Now you can see that this one, it formed it formed double bottom. So these were great areas to invest in, and if the stock market rises, it give the investor much more profit. So times like this happens in the stock market, so you should be ready for to invest in these type of stocks. You should also have a profound knowledge about technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Both of them are important and both of them play a key role in the stock market, so you should be aware of these things. Now why isn't it loading? So as it loads, I'm going to show it to you how well it performed. So the overall performance was this. So it performed quite well for the time being, and now it is showing some volatility or some downtrend. So in this case, as you have held your stocks up till this long, you should step out of the stocks and diversify your portfolio, or start looking for other stocks that are showing low volume. If this doesn't load, so the stock is besides this one. This is the overall performance of the stock market from low to high. This was the one period that the stock market performed well. So you should be ready for this type of situation, and you should be ready for this type of situation, because these are the times to invest, not these or this is was a major time to invest. Other than that, I consider all of them bullshit. So only invest when you see that this area would give me profit and this area wouldn't give me profit. So always invest in those type of situation, not in situation that do not hear to others what the world is saying. Always invest on your own judgment. Not do not invest on others in opinion. Do not listen to others opinion, what they say, what they do. Always invest when you feel that this stock would give you profits, and this from this stock you would benefit. So always opt for those stocks. Look out for those type of situation, those type of times, because those are the greatest opportunities in the stock market that will give you profits. So when you are investing, always look for stocks, dig deeper into the stock market, because a stock just arises out of nowhere, and that stock would give you profits instantly. So always opt for those stocks. So hope you guys have learned something from this video, uh, and at the end of the video I'm going to say that there isn't I haven't seen a certain time that the stocks are down in this month and up in this month. I haven't seen this type of situation. What I've seen that certain the stock market is down because of certain news, and because of the external news that affect the current performance of the stock market. I've seen those things. Other than that, I haven't seen anything. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.